Hello, welcome back. Delia here with the cleaning group. Blinds work great at helping control the amount of light that enters a room, at blocking UV rays from entering your space, and provide privacy. However, they are also great at collecting dust, pollen, pet dander, and other allergens that can trigger allergies and other respiratory issues, which is why regular blind cleaning is essential. Regular blind cleaning eliminates these particles, making sure that the indoor environment is healthier. Here are 9 ways to make sure your blinds are free from any unwanted particles. To guarantee a thorough cleaning, especially with vinyl or aluminum blinds, begin by vacuuming using a brush attachment. This first step gets rid of surface dust. After that, to remove more stubborn dirt, wipe the blinds down with a cleaning solution made of vinegar, dish soap, and water. This method leaves your blinds looking brand new. If you have a busy schedule, regular vacuuming is the fastest and easiest way to maintain blinds clean without taking extra time or unnecessary effort. Simply turn the blinds up and using a brush attachment, vacuum from top to bottom. Then turn them down and repeat. This method should be done as part of your weekly cleaning routine. This approach is ideal for deep cleaning very dirty vinyl and aluminum blinds. This method requires removing the blinds and laying them flat in the bathtub filled with warm water, dish soap, and white vinegar. Soak the blinds for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how dirty they are. If needed, scrub them with a non-abrasive sponge. After soaking them, rinse and gently shake off excess water. To dry, lay them down on a towel on a flat surface. And on a bonus note, while the blinds are soaking, you can clean the windows. This method works best as part of your seasonal cleaning routine or if the blinds are extremely dirty. Remember to never soak wood blinds. This will lead them to warp. Microfiber works excellent at collecting and trapping dust and dirt. Just lightly wipe each slant with a microfiber cloth or a microfiber duster. This method works great to quickly freshen up your blinds without having to take them down. Mix warm water, white vinegar, and dish soap. Put an old gym sock on your hand as if you were putting on a glove. Dip the hand covered with the sock in the mixture and wipe every slant from top to bottom. Depending on how dirty the blinds are, you might have to repeat the process using another sock and a clean mixture. After cleaning, let the blinds air dry completely. Once dry, wipe the blinds with a dryer sheet to eliminate static and prevent dust buildup. This method works best on vinyl and aluminum blinds, and it can be done alone or after vacuuming the blinds. Dawn dish soap works excellent at removing grease and grime. Mix a small amount of Dawn with water for a gentle yet effective cleaning solution. Dip a cloth or a sponge in the mixture and wipe every slant from top to bottom. This method is particularly useful for blinds in your kitchen, where typically grease and grime accumulate. For wood blinds, a dry microfiber cloth works best. Dust the slants from top to bottom. Do not use water or water-based cleansers. And to prevent dust buildup, follow up with a dryer sheet. This method works best as part of your weekly cleaning. Fabric blinds require a more gentle care. Gently use the vacuum attachment to remove dust. And for spot cleaning, use a mild detergent. Avoid strong chemicals and using a lot of water, as these can damage the fabric. For a more thorough cleaning, consider professional dry cleaning or follow the manufacturer's instructions. If cleaning blinds seems like too much work, consider hiring a cleaning service. This option might be highly beneficial for delicate or very detailed blinds that require specific care, given that professional cleaners bring expertise, efficiency, and convenience, ensuring that your blinds are thoroughly clean without any hassle on your part. Follow us on social media and visit our website. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, consider subscribing for more and turn on your notifications bell. Until next time, thank you for watching.